Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Asphalt app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking here for here you just looking here for Asphalt app or just click on search. Then here at Asphalt app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on for stop on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Asphalt app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.